This is the Xiaomi Robot Vacuum Cleaner 5. Smart, powerful, and designed to clean deeper. You will find that this RoboVac ticks all the boxes. The vacuum delivers up to 20,000 Pascal of power, making it one of the most powerful vacuums on the market. This combined with a 5200 mAh battery allows for it to clean up to 140 minutes, which is perfect for larger homes. It also has an anti-tangle hair cutting main roller that trims and collects hair as it rolls. Its laser-based navigation helps it move precisely, detects objects, and intelligently plans its cleaning routes. It uses auto-lifting, dual-rotating mop pads to remove residue the vacuum can't. It also extends the mop and side brush for near 0mm edge coverage. The dock has 4-liter clean and dirty water tanks that can cover around 400 square meters, and a 2.5-liter dust bag that only needs to be emptied every 75 days. Importantly for hygiene, it washes the mop pads with 80 degrees Celsius water and dries them with hot air to prevent bacteria. This is complemented with its dual rotating scrapers, preventing dirt buildup. The dock and vacuum also smart manage everything from emptying, cleaning, charging, and will notify you should it need manual intervention. The compact unit even lowers its radar to be able to reach under beds, couches, and tight spots, making it ideal for any space. Everything you need is in the box: vacuum, dock, user guide, and accessories for installation. Plug it in, pair it with the Xiaomi Home app, and schedule. You can even use Google to start it with a voice command.